Good morning to ya! Today we are going to make some breakfast, a smoothie for breakfast. We got some tools, sucking straw, and what are we going to put in it? We got those gooseberries, red currant, and white currant, an apple, ginger, carrot, and a cucumber. Yes, let's get on. Apple, some ginger, and now the gooseberries. I need to prepare them a bit. Red and white currant. Yes, time for some blending. Never-ending blending. I think I go get some ice. Ice cubes. Now let's taste this. A sucking straw. How does it taste? Okay. I think it's healthy, but whatever. No, I'm starting to like it. My first impression was wrong. Yes, so I'm having a breakfast without bread. Now I sit back and relax.
I need something to drink. I need something to